Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the battery for Toyota's Key Fob. All you need is a new battery of CR1632 3V. Okay, this is a brand new battery that you need, and something sharp. Okay, for this case I'm going to use a nail clipper. Okay, I need this sharp edge later on. So first of all, just hold on to your key fob. Look at this button, push. Once you push it here, and then you pull this key out. Alright? And then turn around. Can you see the gap over here? There's a slot here. Slot in your key, and then twist. Twist the key. Okay. That's when the cover gonna come out. Okay, and then by using the sharp edge, there's a slot over here as well. Okay, or here or here, it's either one. Just pry it out and the battery should come out. Okay, put these old ones aside, take the new ones, slot it in, and cover it up. Okay, so just close this tightly. That's all. Can you see the lights? Alright. Yep, and the car is just outside. So once you're done with this, put this key back and you're done. So thank you for watching, and please share this video with your friends or for anyone who need it. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon.